What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. So you got a brand new camera and you're ready to shoot your videos in 4K. You're gonna up your game, you're gonna get some really good quality videos, but you're not really sure how to render your videos in 4K. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to render your videos in 4K using Davinci Resolve. And then I'm gonna show you how to save those settings so you don't have to keep entering those presets each and every time you use Davinci Resolve. What's up everybody, my name is Rob G and on this channel you'll find helpful tips and information to help you get started here on the platform. If that's something that you're interested in, please support the channel by subscribing. So let's jump into Davinci Resolve and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so I'm on my desktop and I'm going to open up Davinci Resolve and I'm going to show you exactly how to save these settings to make it easier for you to render your videos in 4K. And this is Davinci Resolve 18. So what we want to do is we want to open up Davinci and we want to import some footage. This way you can do that. I'm just going to grab any random video of mine's. I'll grab that one. And I'm just going to import that. This way we have something to work with. And I'm just going to add that to the timeline. So we have this video here. Okay, so we have that video. And now you want to render your videos in 4K, but you're not really sure how to do it. And this is Davinci Resolve. This should be pretty easy. So what we're going to do here on the right hand side in the bottom is like a little, it looks like a little rocket actually. We're going to click on that. And then it's going to bring us to the screen right here. So what we want to do here is we want to go up here where it says export. And this is it says render settings, and this is where you want to be at when you entering your settings. Now what you can do is you can click up here where it says render. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to enter your presets that you want here in this setting right here. This is a custom setting that I have. And this is exactly where you're going to need to be to enter your settings. So what you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to come up here and you have to name your file, whatever it is. So let's just put testing. For this one here, you're going to have to choose where you want your videos to go. And we can actually click on videos, so it will go right there in my videos folder where my videos are at. And then what you want to come down here, these are the settings that I have for mine. So if this is something that you want to use, you can actually use the same settings, and this is for 4K. So I have mine set at format as MP4. The codecs I have is set to the same, it's set H.264. Encoder is auto, I don't do nothing with that. The resolution I did change, and I have my 3840 by 2160, and I have the Ultra HD. This is 4K, and the frame rate is 24 frames per second. Down here, it's going to be it's going to be on automatic. I choose to restrict to because this gives me the best resolution for my video. And these here I leave this one on auto, and frame recording I just leave that checked. And you do have more settings down here. These I don't really do anything with. You can change these if you want. I don't really do anything with this. And you have the subtitles as well. And I don't do anything with that. Okay. So after you do this and you save that, then you just add this to the render query. And that'll just add it right over here. And when you're ready to render on your right hand side here, you just hit render all and it'll render your videos in 4K. And that's all you have to do. So if you want to keep these settings, which I'm probably sure you want to do this, if you have a 4K camera, then you definitely want to shoot in 4K. Just come up here where it says custom export. And this is where you're going to create your custom settings. And it's going to allow you to have a custom render like I have right here. It says Robert's render. And this is where I have my custom settings. So I can just click on this when I want to render my videos. And that's it. I'm good to go. All you do is add your information here like I did before. Change these settings to whatever you want. MP4. The codecs is H.264 auto. And you change these custom settings, the resolution and stuff down here. You pick which one you want, which I'm sure you're probably going to pick the Ultra HD. And you're good to go. And that's all you have to do to get your videos in 4K. And then once you do that, you can start uploading your videos to YouTube and you can have the best quality videos possible. All right, so there it is. Now you know how to render your videos in 4K, so you're ready to upload your videos to YouTube in 4K and some of the best quality videos that you can possibly have in 4K. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. My name is Rob G. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.